Remove the cover of the exhaust port of the water cooler and open the water filling cover. Add purified water or distilled water to the location at the junction of the green and yellow areas. After the machine has been running for a period of time, the air in the chiller is exhausted, and then tighten the cover of the exhaust port. Otherwise, the distilled water or purified water will overflow from the chiller. Put the other end into a container of purified water or distilled water, and then press the water addition switch to add water. Connect the hose to the drain, turn on the switch to drain.